If you already have an image and want to transform it into something completely new, a different style, mood, or artistic direction, image-to-image AI is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI images from images using OpenArt AI step by step. Before we start, you'll find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so open it now if you want to follow along. And let's get started. And also, of course, before we begin, let me make you an introduction and explain what image-to-image AI actually does. So image-to-image AI doesn't start from scratch. Instead, it uses your original image as a base and reinterprets it using AI. And using OpenArt AI, you can change art style, improve realism or make it more stylized, redesign characters or environments, keep the same composition while changing the look. This makes it perfect for artists, creators, thumbnails, concept art, and redesigns. And now, as to the actual steps, it's actually pretty simple, guys. In order to begin, we will have to navigate the very top of the website. So, of course, as you can see, we have multiple buttons with the different presets things that we can create. So in our case, because we are creating an image from the image, you need to click on the image or just hover your mouse over this. You will get this drop down and you just choose. And in here, you just choose create an image, of course. And in here, as you can see, here we have our interface. And this is where all the magic happens. And here we can start, of course, uploading our base image. And then using a prompt right over here, we can create other ones, the new ones. Alright, and in order to begin, on this left panel right over here, you just scroll a bit down, and as you can see, we have the image guidance. And if we hover over the info, we have, as you can see, upload an image to guide the AI in style, composition, pose, and more to create your ideal image. So pretty much your uploaded image will now act as the foundation for the AI. And now let us just drag and drop. Well, we'll just choose like this, left click, and upload the image from my PC, and I will choose this free image of a dog. As you can see, it's just an image of a dog. Hopefully you can see it as my reference image. And now, if you scroll down, we can just start choosing, for example, our output settings, right? Before we can do the prompt, I suggest doing that. So I will just do the same vertical image, just like on my original. Okay, so just to maintain the the size of it and the correct size dimensions. So I will just choose the, where is it? Portrait, there you go. The vertical photo, like that, and the resolution, let us choose 2K. That's good enough. Right, and then, guys, this is where all the magic happens. First, just choose which model you wish to choose, right? So different AI models have different styles to them. You have the realistic ones, you've got maybe some cartoonish or anime-like ones. So you just choose which one you want to use. Let me just choose this Flux Pro, all right? Just as an example. And now as you can see, Flux Pro is chosen, and now we can start inputting our prompt. So in here, you just describe to the AI, just like you would describe anything to a human being, what do you wish to create, right? So don't forget that you don't need to mention so that the AI has to use the image that you've uploaded as a base, because AI already knows it. You've uploaded the image, all good. Now just type what you wish to create. Let me type in mine. Alright, so this is my prompt. You go ahead and input yours. And when you're ready, you can just scroll down once again. Then if you wish to choose the aspect ratio, you do that. I will just choose portrait. And then width and height, you can choose that as well. And then how many images you wish to create. Let us go for 4 images. And also, guys, don't forget that the main currency here is these points, these credits. And when you're creating, you will see how many of them will be charged. As you can see, in my case, it's 20. And then press on generate. And now, as you can see in real time, 4 of my images are being generated in real time. So just give this a little time. And as you can see, it was actually pretty quick. And now you can browse the images. So there you go. I just asked it to create a sibling sister dog that is a few months old and that's playing with a ball. There you go. Pretty cute, I would say. Ginger hair, just like I mentioned. There you go. Pretty nice. So as you can see, pretty simple. From our prompt, we have already created an image. And of course, this doesn't have to be necessarily a dog. This can be any object, a person, any animal, maybe your house cat or something. You can do work with anything. And when you're ready to save, just press on download as. You can also share if you wish. And there you go, download as and as lossless PNG file, like this. Save it to your desktop. If I open it up, as you can see, this is my ready image. I can just make it full screen. And there you go, guys. This is what this AI can do. I would say it's pretty realistic, pretty nice. As you can see, the photo and the view of the ball is kind of blurred out, which is fine, but could have been done better, I guess. But that's where, you know, your editing comes in. You can go ahead and change your prompt or generate more images. So that's it. Pretty simple. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yourself a quick start. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.